2017 Buick Verano Review. The 2017 Buick Verano is often a premium sedan replete with upscale materials and also a relaxing, smooth ride. Its thirsty engine is often a little too laid-back, however, as well as its value alongside less pricey rivals is murky. New for 2017. Turbocharged engine no more available. Number of trims reduced from 5 to a few. Pros and cons. Premium cabin materials. Smooth, quiet ride. Very reliable. Underpowered engine. Poor fuel economy. The 2017 Buick Verano delivers decent performance, having a focus on comfort. Ride quality is impressive and smooth, especially over uneven surfaces. Critics think the engine would use more power, though. The 2017 Verano is available having a 180 horsepower 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine mated into a 6-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. Fuel economy is definitely an EP, estimated 21 miles per gallon from the city and 31 miles per gallon on the streets, which can be among the lowest estimates inside the class. The Verano's engine provides lackluster output and gratification in most driving situations. Acceleration from the standstill is merely adequate, and power for cruising or passing at highway speeds can also be poor. The Verano delivers a pleasant and smooth ride, absorbing shocks from rough pavement while passengers remain undisturbed. Though not sporty, the Verano remains capable around curves, with precise steering along with a suspension that keeps it planted to your road. Reviewers want on the 2017 Buick Verano's interior, praising using high-quality materials and attractive design. Passenger accommodations are marked by comfort within the front and insufficient space within the rear. The Verano's infotainment product is easy to use but has some functionality problems. Cargo space is on par with other class. The Buick Verano seats 5 on standard cloth leatherette upholstery. Upgrades include leather seating, heated front seats, an 8-way power driver's seat, a leather-wrapped leader, a leather-wrapped shift knob, and also a heated tire. Passenger room inside Verano's rear seat is tight, with insufficient legroom being the principal concern. Up front, the motorist and passenger seats are comfy and provide good support. The cabin also stays quiet from external road and wind noise. The Verano features 2 complete latch systems around the second row outboard seats. The middle seat only carries a top tether anchor. Standard features inside 2017 Verano include dual-zone automatic climate control, a 6-speaker head unit, a USB port, and OnStar with 4G LTE as well as a built-in Wi-Fi spot. Optional features include heated outside mirrors, an electrical moonroof, a Bose Premium 9-speaker head unit, Bluetooth, satellite radio, navigation, an infotainment system using a 7-inch touchscreen, voice command recognition, and smartphone integration, a rear-view camera, remote start, rear parking sensors, proximity key entry, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, rear cross-traffic alert, and forward collision warning. The Verano's optional infotainment product is easy to use and boasts sharp graphics. Smartphone integration provides another dimension of familiarity. However, sometimes the screen responds slowly to touches, or otherwise not at all. A plethora of physical buttons throughout the dash produce a somewhat confusing layout. The Verano offers 14.3 cubic feet of cargo space, that's average for that class. The trunk carries a wide opening and deep dimensions. The rear seat also folds down within a 6040 split to enhance utility.